We have here a 2008 Ford Fiesta in for our 28-point chip water leak finding service. Water leak found video here. The door membrane is still at fault. All four have been tested. We have found the driver's side front to be leaking and the passenger side rear is passing water through the door card. Now the membrane is the sheeting between the actual door itself and the door card, and it stops any water from coming through. That is its job. Now typically from the factory is where the fail elements from. Basically the seal which is applied to the sheeting fails and it lets water through the very bottom, and the end result is the water finding its way into the footswell, causing wet floors and in other scenarios mould spores, which is not very helpful at all. You have to bear with me because I'm going to put my water skills to the test. We've got a pad there which just gives access for the water. So I'm running water onto the top of the door where the seal is, and if I bring myself down here, you can see water actually passing through the drainage point, which is what should happen. And then you've got the door card itself, which is what you see here. So this side, this is what goes into the car when the door is shut, and you should be able to just make out there that there's water actually passing through. And it's doing the same on the passenger side rear. Now it might not be that all four are actually fading, but typically it makes sense to do all four if two are leaking, just for a process of elimination. The door card would have to come off, and we'll check the status of the membrane.